stretchy cheese balls recipe is here to satisfy your craving. Boil potatoes and be careful not to boil extra. Mashed potatoes. Add in 1 tablespoon red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon salt. Mix well. Beat 2 eggs. For coating, I use oats powder instead of breadcrumbs. Take mashed potato mixture. Place a cheese ball inside it. Make a smooth ball. First coat in the egg, then in oats crumbs. Make balls and refrigerate for 20 minutes. Deep fry each side 7 minutes. At medium flame. Fry in preheat oil. Take it out when it turns to golden brown. Turn it very carefully, otherwise they can break easily. Crispy from outside and tender and cheesy from inside. Pair up with homemade Thousand Island sauce. Best and quick snacks for children. They will like it.